Hello, Jenny Hall here for Trinity Stamps. I am part of the video hop for Rainbow Funshine. This is a great new die set that you can get from the Trinity store from November the 26th through November the 30th with a $100 product purchase while supplies last. I'm pairing it with the coffee mug die set and some pattern paper from Trinity Stamps with a stamp set called a Latte Love. Now I've already made the die cut off camera, and this is from 110-pound cardstock, and that little tool that I have in my hand is the Trinity Teflon scoring tool. That is amazing, and I don't know how I scored anything without it. I'm going to use my Blending Buddy brush from Trinity Stamps with some ink on 3 brown ink. And this is the elliptical oval that is my beverage portion. So I've chosen to make it a medium brown. Now I'm taking my black brush, and if you notice, I can tell it's my black color from the little color cap on the bottom of the brush. And I'm just using some residual ink that is on this brush. I want to get a shadowed look around the edge of the coffee mug. I've taken a rainbow that I colored in a different video, and if you haven't checked out the product video, then please do so. It's in the playlist here of our video hop, and I'm just going to add some color to some colored cardstock die cuts. I'm going to add some yellow and some orange to this yellow cardstock, and it's going to kind of bring it out and really give the image some dimension and character. I'm going to do the same thing with the little cloud image. Now these clouds would look really darling out of white cardstock with lots of color, or you could even use watercolor paper and just really get going pretty with the clouds. There's so many possibilities. I wanted to keep it really simple, and since I already had these die cuts from the product video, I wanted to show you exactly what we could do with them. Now I'm taking some white ink and I'm just adding some white on the outside edges, and that's going to give me more depth to this sunshine sun rays. The Rainbow Funshine die set has so many possibilities, and you'll see loads of other ideas from our design team in this video hop. So I encourage you to click that link in the top line of the video description so you can get to the next video. I'm using some of the sentiments from A Latte Love, and it says birthday wishes, and I'm going to adhere that little beverage die right there at the top so that my card now looks like a hot beverage, and I just wish I could sit back and relax and enjoy that hot beverage. It just looks so calming to me. I'm going to add the die cut of the sunshine where it hangs off, and I'm going to clip it away. This is going to give me a little bit more depth in the project, and clipping off those little edges, you can see here that it just kind of looks like it's wrapping around the coffee mug. Now I know I want to have the rainbow on the coffee mug, but I'm not sure about that cloud. So I'm getting my rainbow in place, and I want it to look as if it's wrapping around the coffee mug. So I could either save this other half of the rainbow to put on the back of the mug, or maybe put it on the inside. So I thought maybe that people won't look on the back so much as they will on the inside, and that maybe the inside would be better use of that rainbow. So we're going to glue it in place, and I have pre-ink blended. So what I did was I cut the rainbow bands from 110-pound cardstock, and then I used ink on 3 inks in order to get the color with some Trinity Blending Buddy brushes. And there's my cloud on the inside too. Now I've taken a piece of the Winter Hues paper pad from Trinity Stamps, and I'm going to use the polka dot side up. And inside the coffee mug die set comes this little gift card holder, and it fits perfectly on the inside of the mug. So if I want to send a Starbucks gift card or Dunkin' Donuts or even something like Amazon, then it will fit really nicely on the inside. Now, I thought it would be fun to add some sparkle to this project, and so I grabbed a Nuvo shimmer pen, this is a Nuvo Aqua Flow, and it kind of messed up my colors a little bit on the rainbow. So in the finished photograph, you will notice that there I went and made another rainbow off camera and kind of repaired and put it and laid it right over the top of this rainbow. You can see here that now the colors look nice. So I would be careful with that. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and please click the link in the top line of the video to get more Rainbow Funshine idea inspiration. Thanks for watching.